here. We now have a vending machine for selling Catherine's Jersey ice cream. We've updated our fridge and everything is so much easier to see. We now have so much space. Let's see how this works. Tap your card on the card machine or insert underneath. Once it clicks, open the door and grab what you want. It will come up on the screen and then you close the door. Same goes for the fridge. Tap away. Select which door you'd like to open by tapping the screen above. The door will click open, and then you can pick out what you like. The screen will tell you what you've picked out, and then you can close the door.